2006 Dodge Dakota 4.7 liter. Really beautiful red color. New tires too. Ooh. Anyways, factory converters up there and up there. Then it winds into a single. Then it comes with this resonator. We usually don't take it off because of the drone, and it's a little bit quieter. Makes it. Then what we did is put a FLOWMASTER Super 10 and 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back. Each side custom bent, as you guys can see, over the rear axle. There's not a lot of room. Out the back on each side, there and there. And then 4-inch angle cut tips to complete the look, as you guys can see there and right there. There's the old exhaust system that's on it, the FLOWMASTER 40 with a wide pipe, and tailpipes is just old, rotted out. So we like, time for a new system. So we put them in a new system. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. What do you think? You want it louder, or that's good? Yeah. We gave it a little bit deeper tone, the super thing, you know? Again? Yeah. Here's sound decibels. Right at 98. You didn't want it too loud. If you take the resonator off, it'll be like 110. Go ahead and back it up. Dodge Dakota SLT 4.7. It sounds so good. It's not overbearing, just clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Dakota. Imagine they changed the Dodge to Ram Dakota.